Hey everyone, today we're going to be learning how to blur something, even blur something while it's moving, so it tracks it. So this is my clip. I've got 2 clips to do. That's it. So let's just cut that. I mean, it's going to be a small clip. We don't need anything really big. So this car here, we want to blur the number plate. So we just put the Gaussian blur on there, and then we can say let's say the pen tool. Let's use the pen tool. So we go here, 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 here. And then we can just shrink it down a little bit. If I know what I'm doing, that is. There we go. Doesn't have to be perfect. Then, what we do then, we can bring the blurriness up. If we click invert, it will invert everything apart from what we're showing. So we don't need to click invert. But if we was to press play, the blur stays where it is. So what we're going to have to do is track selected mask forward. So that will tell Premiere Pro to follow where it is. Now I know it's not perfect. It's not meant to be perfect. It's just showing you quickly on how to do it. So if we was to go back, but you see the bit of blurriness there. It's still got a bit of blurriness there. So if we was to go down to repeat edge pixels and press play, sort of takes most of it with it. So that's that one done. Now if we go to our second clip, so now we want to blur this woman's face. So we get the Gaussian blur, we put it on the clip, we get the Gaussian blur circle, and we just fit it around her head. Like that. Think how much you want to blur it. Play. But her face comes out. So again, if we track selected mask forward, it would now follow her face. So if we go back, what we got is this, which is pretty good. There are other ways where you can manually do it yourself if Premiere Pro isn't really following you, but I'll get into that another time. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more videos. Cheers.